Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this video lecture I will discuss a house plan in the dimensions of 30 by 75 feet. Width is 30 feet and its length is 75 feet. I designed this house plan for one of my clients, so let me discuss with you people what's new in this house planning. So therefore, if you need house planning, structural design, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. If you are anywhere, you will get a best house planning from my side, but on paid services, not for free. Guys, this is ground floor plan in the dimensions of 30 by 75 feet. So this is its front. So we have the total area of this plot, which is 2250 square feet, and the covered area is 1828 square feet. Okay, so you can see this is my WhatsApp number. So these are the details you can see clearly. Let me focus it. Okay, so now guys, here we have 3 bedrooms, 1 drawing room, dining, kitchen, attached bath, stair hall, and car parking, etc. Guys, you can see here this is its front. Let me focus the camera. So this is main entrance or main gate, which width is 12 feet. Okay, so this is car porch. Size of this car porch is 12 feet 9 inch by 13 feet. And here guys, we have the back side width is here 3 feet. So this is open to sky. And here also we have this open sky, which is 2 feet 5.5 inch. Okay, and this is also open to sky, which is 3 feet. Okay, for proper ventilation we did this. So guys, you can see this is lawn, and the width of this lawn is about 8.5 feet. Okay, so from this car parking you can see this is main entrance. Okay, for this house. So this is stair hall. This is up for first floor. Okay, the width of this stair is 7 feet 6 inch, and these are ventilation and windows for this to this lawn for this stair. So under the stair we have here bath, general bath. Okay, so now guys, you can see this is electric place also we have. Now the first one, you can see this is a kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 9 feet 2.5 inch by 11 feet, and this is its window to this open sky. You can see this is open sky, guys. Next, you can see the front of this kitchen. You can see this is the drawing room and dining. Size of this dining and drawing is 17 feet 4.5 inch by 13 feet and 12 inches, and this is its window to this open to sky. And here guys, you can see these are the dotted lines, especially for this car parking site for its window. Next guys, you can see this is a TV lounge. In size of this TV lounge is 18 feet 9 inch, length is 18 feet 9 inch, and its width is 13 feet and 1.5 inch. Okay, and these are the windows to this open sky. Okay, these wall thickness are 9 inches, and these are boundary wall are 4.5 inches. Okay, next guys, you can see this is the first bedroom, master bed, which size is 11 feet by 16 feet. And here you can see this is the exit door to this open sky, this back side. Okay, and this is the dress for this, and this is the bath size and the dress size. You can see bath and dress. The next bedroom guys, you can see this one, size is 11 feet 9 inch by 14 feet. This is dress, and this is its bath. Right, this is the window to this open sky. For this we have this one window. This is ventilation for this bath. This is ventilation for this one. The third bedroom is this one, and the size of this bedroom is 11 feet 6 inch by 14 feet. And here you can see guys, this is a bath. Size of the bath is 8 feet 5.5 inch by 6 feet. Width is 6 feet. And here you can see this is its ventilation to this OTC, open to sky, and this is the window for this bedroom. So guys, you can see clearly this is a luxury house planning in the dimensions of 30 by 75 feet. Hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.